Hi, I'm Lane from Notable Piano Lessons, and today I want to share with you one of the most hauntingly beautiful Christmas melodies, and it's called O Come Emmanuel. And I'm going to teach this in chord form, so the melody will just be your voice today, and that will make it so that if you've never had piano lessons before, you can pick up pretty quickly on this. And also I'm going to play it in a key that most voices can sing it in, at least for women. So if you're soprano voice, you should be able to do it, and also an alto voice. I'm definitely an alto voice, and I can reach the keys. I'm not a soloist. I'm just showing this you for purposes, so you can understand how the melody fits in with the chords. After I teach you the first part, I will be showing you, demonstrating how to add some embellishments to your chords to make it a little bit more interesting. So let's get started. Now the first part of this tutorial starts on A minor. Okay, so just the A minor chord is just A, C, and E. You're going to play that with your right hand, and the left hand is just going to play the outer shell of the A minor chord, just the A and the E. Okay, and then you have a G chord. So it's just G, B, D. And the left hand will play the outer shell of the G chord, which is G and B. And then we have the E minor chord, which we're going to jump up here, play E minor, and it's going to be E, G, B, E, G, B, and the left hand will play the outer shell of that, E and B. Okay, and then there's one more chord that we're learning. It's D minor, and it's just D, F, A, if you can see that, D, F, and A. And the left hand will play the outer shell of the D minor chord, which is just D and A. And that's all there is to it. Okay, so I'll just sing along with it so you can kind of see how it goes. And I'm just going to be kind of pulsing the right hand a little bit while the left hand stays still. O come, Emmanuel, and ransom captive Israel, that mourns in lonely exile here, until the Son of God appear. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel. Okay, and that's all there is to it. And I would learn that just really slow. Just get your chords down first. And I'm playing these chords in root position. That just means everything lines up. There's another way to play those, and if you go to Notable Piano Lessons, I can teach you how to do that. Right now I'll just give you a little example of maybe using some octaves and some inversions to make it a little bit more interesting. I'll sing the second verse. Oh, come thou root of Jesse, free thine own from Satan's tyranny, from the depths of hell thy people to save. I didn't really know what I was doing. I was just kind of improvising there with the chords. There's so many different things that you can do. So if you want to get the PDF for these chords, I made a version of it that is better than any other version I've seen, in that I lined up all of the chords with the words, so you're not like thinking, where does this chord go? Because I know for my own self, I've played things off the internet and I'm like, that doesn't even sound right, and the chords don't line up with the words. And so it just helps you to play it a little bit easier. So that will be in the link on the description below that you can pick that up. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you'll be able to learn this and sing it for a little Christmas sing-along, maybe for your family or just for yourself. I think it's beautiful.